What's up guys, this is Flash. Welcome back to the channel. We've been planning this trip, flying from Johannesburg to the one and only Cape Town, the mother city. This time we brought along the crew, the family, you know the vibe. So this isn't just a trip, but a proper adventure. I'm talking epic views, good food, seriously good memories. So we're gonna take you along every step of the journey, from when we got on the plane to checking out our spot and to what we got up to on the first day, our first mission to conquer the Table Mountain. So you better stick around because you don't wanna miss this. Let's go. Okay, this is the room tour of the apartment. It's a 3-bedroom. So here is one of the bedrooms, 2 single beds. The second room, I think it's similar to that one. Okay, it doesn't have a table. I think this one is more suitable for kids. These people. All right. And then this is the kitchen. Okay, this is self-catering, by the way. Okay, the fridge is empty. They have all the appliances. They have a washing machine, dishwasher, microwave. And then here's the living room. We have a dining room table. We have a TV, a couch. It's a full house. Here's some books if you want to read. And this is the main bedroom. It's an in-suite and it's okay. The bathroom. And then it has a sliding door. Oh yes, then you come to the balcony, but it's at night, so I will do another tour tomorrow because we just arrived now. Guys, welcome to Cape Town. This is Cape Town. So we're here. We arrived yesterday. We got here late. The place that we booked is called Dolphin Beach Estate. So yeah, this is what we will be seeing in the next couple of days. Every day we're gonna wake up to this right over there. That's Table Mountain. So we have the nice view of the beach and the nice view of Table Mountain. And we'll be going there again today. So what's lined up for today is the hop in and hop out bus. And then also we're gonna go to Table Mountain. Yes, Bakathumbelile.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity.
We are on the red bus. They are heading to Table Mountain while we are exploring the city at the same time with the bus. You see these headphones. Every location that we are, they tell us, they give us a little bit of history about that place. So we're gonna tour the city and then we're gonna get off at the Table Mountain. So now let's just enjoy the view of the city of Cape Town. Yeah, I hope my followers are hearing you. So they must come and subscribe here and like. Bye. Enjoy your school trip. We are at the top of the Table Mountain. Now we're just enjoying the view of Cape Town. There's the stadium. We can see the whole city. We can see the whole ocean. This is beautiful. This is one of the natural 7 wonders. But it's actually not our first time coming here, but the beauty, you just cannot get enough of this beauty.
Silhouettes against the glass, whispers fade as shadows pass, crimson lips that never